Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the Landmine Lunge to Shoulder Press. Let's start out with the landmine racked in the shoulder press position. From here, we're going to step our foot back. As we step our foot back, we're going to lower that back knee right down into the lunge. From here, lunge up and press. Now there's a quick tutorial for the Landmine Lunge to Shoulder Press. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. The Landmine Lunge to Shoulder Press, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.